Hello, Bulldogs. Just recently, the Garfield Heights City Schools welcomed not one, but two Cleveland Browns players, Anthony Walker Jr. and Charlie Thomas III, who made a very special visit to Maple Leaf Elementary School to promote learning, showing their dedication to the community, and to participate in a few games with students in Maple Leaf's Stay in the Game room. For the students who participated, Mr. Walker and Thomas were like heroes to them. These players began their discussion with students by stressing how important lifelong learning is and how important their studies should be to them. Both players are college graduates and spoke at length about how their parents and teachers played instrumental roles in promoting the value of school to them. Garfield Heights has a very special relationship with the Browns through our Stay in the Game initiative, and we thank them for visiting. Our high school theater students have been on the move recently as they stopped by the Senior Citizen Center for some Halloween fun and promoted their upcoming fall play performance, which opens Friday, November 17th. Along with Mr. Benjamin, the students chatted with the senior citizens, had some cookies and refreshments, and took pictures, which all underscored the district's dedication to community outreach, transparency, and giving back with our older generations. These students are part of the Bulldog revival that is happening right here in this community. Mr. Pope also accompanied the members of our high school marching band to make a very dignified performance at the city's annual Veterans Day celebration on November 11th. We thank Mayor Burke for inviting our school district to participate to honor and recognize the solemn service of the men and women who fought to defend our nation. Thank you to our veterans for your service. And finally, our November Board of Education meeting takes place at Elmwood Elementary School on Monday, November 20th. And the purpose of rotating our meeting locations is to invite the community and be accessible to families, parents, and our citizens as possible. Check the website for more details. Thanks for all you do to keep our district moving forward in a positive direction, working for every child, every day, together. Have a great week.